Okay, we're looking at part D of your 2016 O-Level GI question for weather and climate. Okay, so this is actually not very well done. Some of you looks like you're rushing for time, and a lot of you did not read the question. Okay, so first things first, you're supposed to add a line of best fit. Okay, and next you're supposed to suggest what conclusions may be drawn. So quite a few of you can do the best fit but did not do conclusions. Alright, next I give you 4 marks. 4 marks just to give me one suggestion and one conclusion. Okay, what about your data? What about the anomaly? Okay, so 1 mark goes to your best fit line, and 1 mark goes to your 3 marks, sorry, goes to your conclusion. Okay, so 3 mark conclusion is very standard. Number 1, support hypothesis or not. In this case, there's no hypothesis, so what's the relationship between the variables? Let me enlarge this. Okay, next, give me your data to support the relationship. And lastly, any anomalies. I'm quite sure that a lot of you did not bring up anomalies. Okay, so for the first part of this video, I will focus on the best fit line first. Alright, best fit line generally, I thought it could be better improved. Okay, so some of you drew something like this. Okay, I rejected it. Why? Because too many points are above the line, best fit line, and only 1 point below the best fit line. That's not a good distribution. Okay, so what we are looking at, some of you did something like this. Okay, slightly better, but as you can see, the distance from those above the line is way further than those below the line. Okay, so you need to have a good distribution and make it clear that some are anomalous. Okay, so maybe something like this. Okay, so maybe something like this will spread the data lines more evenly. Okay, and they're about the close distance, and then probably these 3 are anomalous that I can talk about. Okay, now some of you did this. I think one of you did this, which I also agree, because the lines are about quite equally distributed. So if I ignore this bunch here, right, the distance between the points over here and over here are about the same and quite well distributed. Okay, something like that, I can't remember. So they point this out as anomalies. Okay, but for me, we should try to go for as many points as possible. So for this case, only 3 points are anomalous. Okay, so then what can I do to conclude then? Okay, so this is the first one for the best fit. In the next part, I'll talk about the conclusion.